Hello, my name is Yanlis del Toro. I am an industrial engineering student, and today I am going to talk about quizzing character from the series I didn't like. Who could it be? Who do you think it? Well, this character is Harvard. Harvard didn't appeal to me not only because of his expression and the way he speaks, but also because from the very beginning, from episode one, I simply didn't like him. I didn't find him pleasant. He not his clothes, not his hair, and not his attitude. What? Why is that? Because his attitude was overly sensual and not very clean. I don't like his the personality, the way he dressing, the way he expressing himself, or the way he approaches women. Even though I completely understand that his job playing a role, I really don't like the character portrayed. I dislike how he trends to sensuality, even though he's supposed to be a super intelligent romantic nerdy sanity. To me, that mix is Joe awful, and honestly there's nothing I like about him. His hair I showed you his clothes is the worst dress of all, and his hairstyle is the most ridiculous. I don't like that he is supposed to be the romantic character because he's not romantic. El- It's all he seems more like a weird desperate gay. I don't like the way he walks or the way he expresses himself. Definitely, the character as a well done happens to me. It's sorry, but is the truth.